Have you ever taken a plastic ruler or a plastic spoon and bend it like this? And suddenly you see that the bend point is started to turn white. Like, where did the white color is even coming from? I always started to thought that the plastic was getting damaged when I was a child, or maybe the real color was started to scrap off. But now I realize something weird. If you let it go, the white color usually disappear if the plastic get back to its main position or the main form. So basically what is happening here, when you bend the plastic, you are squeezing and stretching it at the same time. And inside the plastic there are tiny spaces started to appear. Really tiny, so you even can't see them. But light can see those tiny spaces. Let me explain this thing. Normally, the light goes through the plastic smoothly, but when you bend it, those tiny spaces get into the way. So the light started to bounce everywhere, kind of like a car trying to drive through a road full of obstacles. The light gets scattered in all directions, and when enough light is scattered, our eyes see a white color, and that's it. The plastic did not magically become white. The color wasn't hiding inside all along. It's just the light acting differently because the plastic gone bent. And when you let go the plastic, and if the plastic come into its original shape, then the white color will also disappear too. Which means every time you bend a piece of plastic, it turns white.